Everyone have water? How to have water? Class is on water. So how you have tea or hot milk or coffee? How do you have that? How do you have tea and coffee? You sip it. You don't gulp it. It is hot. You don't gulp it, isn't it? So have water glass in your hands. Have the water bottle in your hand, everyone. Water bottle in your hand if you have handy. If you don't have, then get it. Please have the water with you. And just imagine this is very hot. Just imagine that, okay? It is very hot water. Cool? What will you do? It's a tea, coffee, whatever you want to do. It's a hot drink right now in your hand. Sip. Sip, squash it here and there, leave it there for a time, for some time. It will bring more saliva. Okay, the more you will keep it there, it will bring more saliva with it. Okay, if the saliva will go inside the belly, saliva is alkaline in nature. Okay, and you have acid in the body inside. Okay, so if you are having saliva with each drink when you are having, and it is going inside, it will neutralize the acid. Got it? Very nice for Pitta people. Very, very nice. This one, this trick, this technique is good for everyone, but it is very, very good for Pitta people especially. So if you want to drink this 1 liter of water, you should not just done. No, please don't do that. Okay? Sip it.
गौरव सर खड़े होकर भी नहीं पीना ना पानी?
No, बैठ के. Always drink water, any drink seated. Okay, because it is said in Ayurveda, if you have water standing, it leads to vata. Okay, it leads to vata kind of diseases, and especially osteoarthritis or the arthritis. Okay, so always sip it, just like it's a hot water. Sip it, move it, leave it there for a while, 10 seconds or so, gulp it. Have some patience. Don't rush. Don't rush. We are so much into rush because we just want to reach somewhere. I don't know where. Every day you're there only in your home only. Nowhere. I don't know where you're running. You're still there. I would have appreciated if you would have reached somewhere with your running, but you're again and again there only. See, yesterday you were there. Today also you are here. Tomorrow also you will be here. Why you're rushing? Right? You don't have to go anywhere. So sip your water, eat your water, eat it as much as you can. Okay, and then drink it. Cool. This is the way you should have water. I will talk more on water later, little bit. Okay.
सर अभी इस टेक्निक से पिया ना एकदम से बर्प आ गया.
Seriously. You're done. No food for you.